Hi guys, so for my eyebrows I just used the standard black eyeshadow. I then went in with the P. Louise base Rumour 0.5 covering both eyelids to get a better pigmentation for my shadows. Using the NYX red eyeshadow, I heavily applied to my whole lid on both eyes. Blend the red with an orange shade. I use NYX again, and also if you need to go back on top of the red, feel free to do so. After blending and reapplying the red, I then went in with the black to deepen my crease and create darker corners for the look I am going for. Continue with the black under the eyes, and then it's time to line. I use NYX matte liquid liner in black whilst going in with the Maybelline eyeliner pencil on the lower lash line.
You are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. You beg me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine.
And now we have lashes. And who doesn't love a little bit of glow? Let's get it on them lids.
I don't know, I'm fine without you.
Now the eyes are complete, it's time for the face. I don't use high branded foundation and concealer, I just use Rimmel Lasting Radiance in the shade Ivory. Using Rimmel translucent powder, I set all my foundation down. Now the base is complete. Time to pull out the face paints. I use Snazaroo as they are hypoallergenic and easy to wash off. Create a jagged mouth, I just freehanded this section and colour in completely fully black. This look was inspired by my star sign, where I honed in on the colours that are lucky to us Aries. I also wanted it to be a little demonic and a bit fiery, as fire is our lucky element.
And I'm wondering again, why this dream in my brain, in this happy city, happy city, yeah. Happy city, happy city, yeah. And I'm wondering again, why this dream in my brain, in this happy city, well, there is just me, people around here, happiness is
Go ahead and blend out all the sharp edges of the mouth to make them a little more demonic.
the owner, and I'm wondering again,
More glitter? Go on then. Black tears stroll down the face with a little bit of glitter.
happy city, yeah. And I'm wondering again, why this dream in my brain, in this happy city, well, there is just me,
Now for the chest. And once again, Snazaroo face paint's coming through. Just use red, orange, yellow, a little bit of white to create the fire, and black for the star sign. 3, 2, 1. Now the look is complete. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at ParishBrownMUA. Please rate, comment and subscribe.